Manufacturing Works has been in the high schools in Northeast Ohio for 30 years. We are currently at Max Hayes High School in Cleveland, Cuyahoga Valley Career Center, and Lorain County Joint Vocational School. We have pre-apprenticeship programs in those high schools. And so students who are in those programs that do a work-based learning experience receive a pre-apprenticeship certificate, which gives them articulated credit at the community college for their apprenticeship instruction. It also gives them articulated credit for on-the-job training hours that they earned while they're in high school.
We're able to work a lot with our partners and employers to really try to figure out what skill sets and what strengths are able to be worked on in a supportive network environment as they get ready for real-world experiences.
I've always enjoyed to make things, and being out in the world, really making a difference by making the things that make things go really kind of suited me. Just being able to think about how you make certain things is totally different than going to a store and just purchasing a product. You see the process and the development that goes into the part, and you realize how much work it actually takes.
At first, it wasn't what I expected, but it became a lot funner than what it was originally sophomore year.
I love working with my hands. I love making things for other people or myself or my family. So it really cheers up, makes me happy.
It's not that complicated when you actually start learning it.
They actually get to experience building, creating, manufacturing, making parts, see how they all go together and how it works with industry. Our students get out there and get jobs, and they do real well. All of a sudden they're able to take care of themselves, become self-reliant. They can purchase vehicles, they can purchase a home. They're able to take care of themselves and start their family life if they so choose to.
No one wants to go to a job and not know anything. I want them to walk in the front doors at least saying that they know something, because it could grant them a higher pay, that can grant them a better future.
The most rewarding part of this job for me is to be able to see students grow and to learn and become excited for how to use their trade to create something, to make something, to solve a problem. That's the most rewarding part for me.
When they can go in there with that Manufacturing Works pre-apprenticeship certification, that's going to put them right into the second year when they graduate of an apprenticeship. And that means so much. That's a lot.
Going from a pre-apprentice to an apprenticeship, it allows for me to expand my knowledge on precision machining as well as get paid higher.
It really comes back to this pre-apprenticeship to apprenticeship model where I can increase my wages, my experience, and even who I am as a person, making myself ready with not only the technical skills, but those soft skills or employability skills that employers all around the world at this point are desperately seeking. And so it helps both of those things and really making sure that our students are the future leaders of this industry for tomorrow.
Seeing these students grow and move and be successful is so valuable to me. It warms my heart, and I love to see them be young people who are going out into the world to change not only their lives, but their future families' lives, and to raise all the high tides in Lorain County.
I'm most excited for just going out into the field and being able to program and run CNCs, which I love doing, so it's going to be great.
Manufacturing needs this young talent, and so we worked very hard this school year to develop some strategies to increase the number of young people that are going to matriculate into registered apprenticeship. And so for this school year 24-25, we are very excited to say that 25% of our pre-apprentices will matriculate, and there is a possibility where we'll see that number go up to 50 or 60%. So that's very exciting.
It's been extremely rewarding to see students making those connections with employers, to feel the confidence of the skills that they built while they were here in action. They're excited, they're confident, they're happy, and ultimately I always tell my students, find something that you love to do and you'll never work a day in your life.
To me, success after this program is just continuing to improve my knowledge and my skills in this trade. Get my journeyman's card through the college for maintenance and just continue to grow.